Hybrid model of transistor. The transistor is a two-port network with two input variables and two output variables. Two input variables are the V1, I1, and two output variables are the V2, I2. Input current and output voltage are the independent variables. Input current and output voltage. Input voltage and output current. Input voltage and output current are the dependent variables V1, I2. Dependent variables can be expressed in terms of the independent variables. The dependent variables are input voltage and output current, so that V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Now, short circuit the output terminals. The output terminals of this two-port network is short circuited. That is, V2 is equal to 0. And that V2 is equal to 0, H11 is equal to V1 upon I1 and V2 is equal to 0. This one, it is the input impedance when the output is short circuited. It's not when the output is short circuited. H11 is equal to V1 upon I1 when V2 is equal to 0, that is measured in ohms, so that the input impedance when the output is short circuited. The open circuit the input terminals. Open circuit the input terminals, that is I1 is equal to 0. H12 is equal to V1 upon V2. I1 is equal to 0. Open circuit the input terminals, that is the I1 is equal to 0. Reverse voltage gain when the input is open circuited. Reverse voltage gain when input is open circuited, that is the H12 is equal to V1 upon V2 when the I1 is equal to 0 is unitless. Now, again short circuit the output terminals. Short circuit the output terminals. For that one, that is V2 is equal to 0. H21 is equal to I2 upon I1 when V2 is equal to 0 is unitless, so that this one, it is forward current gain when the output is open circuited. Forward current gain when output is short circuited. It's not open circuited, it is output is short circuited, that is H21 is equal to I2 upon I1 when V2 is equal to 0. Open circuit the input terminals, that is I1 is equal to 0, so that H22 is equal to I2 upon V2. I1 is equal to 0. The I1, it is measured in the Siemens. The output admittance when input is open circuited. Output admittance when input is open circuited, so that H22 is equal to I2 upon V2 and the I1 is equal to 0. Open circuit the input terminals is equal to 0. H11, H12, H21 and H22 are the mixture of voltage and current at the input and output terminals. H11, H12, H21 and H22 are the mixture of voltage and current at the input and output terminals. These parameters are known as hybrid parameters because these are the mixing of, that is, the voltage and current and the input variables and the output variables, so that there is a mixing of the voltage and current and the input and output variables. That's why these parameters are known as the H parameters or the hybrid parameters. The H parameter model of the transistor can be drawn as here: V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 I2. Similarly, V2 is equal to H21 I1, that is V1, here I2. I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. H22 V2. Since H22 it is a admittance parameters, so that here the from that one the current I2. Here that equation for V1 will be getting by applying KVL to this input, and equation for this current I2 will be getting by applying KCL at this nodes, so that this current I2 it is entering towards the node and these two are leaving from the nodes. From that one the hybrid model for the transistor can be drawn. Now to draw the to modify that circuits, for that one the H11 it is the this parameter it can be written as HI because both are considered, this is for the considered for the input terminals, so that since H12 it is reverse voltage gain, so that H21 it is the ratio of the output to the input, so that HF forward. H22 it is equal to HO, that is it is considered for the output terminals. So from that one here this circuit diagram that can be reduced to V1 is equal to HI plus HR V2, and here it can be written as the current I2 V1 I2 is equal to HF I1 and 1 upon H. HF it is equal to H21, so that and H22 is equal to 1 upon H current I2, current input current I1, the output current I2, so that the voltage at the input V1, voltage at the output it is V2. From that the hybrid equivalent model for the transistor can be drawn, that is the generalized model. For a common base configuration with emitter current I is equal to 4 milliampere, alpha is equal to 0.98, and an AC signal of 2 millivolt is applied between the base and emitter terminals. Determine the input impedance, calculate the voltage gain if a load of 0.56 kilo is connected to the output terminals, find the output impedance and current. Here first of all you have to determine the emitter resistance RE is equal to 26 millivolt upon I, that is the emitter current. Here emitter current it is given with I is equal to 4 milliampere, 26 millivolt upon 4 milliampere is equal to 6.5 ohms. So that for the common base configurations For the common case configurations by using the RE model of the transistors, the input impedance is equal to the resistance RE, so that it is equal to 6.5 ohms, I is equal to 4 milliamperes, alpha is equal to 0.98, and an AC signal of 2 milliampere is applied between the base and the emitter terminals. Okay. Now the input current II is equal to 4 milliampere, so that the voltage gain is equal to alpha RL upon RE. Alpha RL upon RE, that is the equation which you have determined. Alpha is equal to 0.98 and RL is 6.5. From that, voltage gain is equal to 84.43. That is the voltage gain for the transistor under the common base configuration using the RE model. Now the output impedance, it is equal to infinity for the transistor under common base configurations by using the RE model. Now current gain is equal to output current upon input current. Output current is equal to minus IC upon IE. IC is minus alpha, IE upon IE is equal to minus alpha. Current gain is equal to minus 0.98. That is the current gain of the transistors.